Here I would like to explain how you can export gem and jewelry from India. Before starting the gem and jewelry exports, let me explain you one thing, very important thing. Exporters can be classified into two: manufacturer exporter as well as merchant exporter, which I have already discussed in my previous YouTubes clearly. And manufacturer exporters are those exporters who are manufacturing and exporting. They are called manufacturer exporters. But the second option, merchant exporter, a person who is starting exports and he is purchasing something and exporting, is called merchant exporters. So in both these cases, right now I am going to explain how you can become a manufacturer exporter, how you can become a merchant exporter. The two options. Here I would like to focus gem and jewelry manufacturing exports. You can start gem and jewelry by manufacturing in India. From gold you have to manufacture the ornaments and that you can export. Those type of business are called exports, are called manufacturer exporters. They are called manufacturer exporters. They are getting a tax exemption, sale tax exemption. There is no sale tax, no income tax, no service tax, no central sale tax. At the same time, subsidy they are getting from the government of India. And above all, in some cases, if the pure gold is not at all available in India, you can import gold from foreign country. You can import gold from foreign country, and that by utilizing that as a raw material, you can manufacture gold ornaments, and then you have to export these ornaments to foreign countries. I hope you understand. Merchant exporter. You can start gold gem and jewelry exports on the basis of merchant exports. That requires only hardly 10 lakh rupees. If you are having, you can start 100 crores, 200 crores, 500 crores ornaments you can export at a time to foreign countries. A lot of people are doing this business from Bangalore to some other countries. UAE, they are exporting. So both these business and can be started in India. Manufacturer exports as well as merchant exports you can start in India. At the same time, what the plus point I would like to tell you, I will be helping you to locate the market from foreign country. That is very important. If you are interested, kindly contact me. Thank you.